Good evening everyone! Welcome sa Dubai Dining Experience ng Tatak Pinoy. I'm Josie Romulo and today sa ating episode, andito po tayo sa Centurion Building at i-feature po natin ngayon ang La Mesa Restaurant. Ayan, as you can see, Paskong-Pasko na po dito sa La Mesa at pinabati po kayo ni Santa Claus ng Welcome to La Mesa! Tingnan po natin kung ano ang meron dito sa loob. Talaga bang masarap ang mga pagkain dito sa La Mesa? Kaya samahan niyo ako. Ang ganda na ng weather ngayon, kaya andito sa labas, meron na rin silang mga upuan. Ayan po, pwede po mga 25 na katao dito sa labas ng La Mesa. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ganda-ganda! Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Cherry of La Mesa Restaurant. Madam Cherry, maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak ninyo sa Tatak Pinoy na mabisita namin ang napakagandang La Mesa Restaurant naman. Ayan. Gusto kong ipakita, eto, kanina binati tayo ni Santa Claus ng welcome. Yes. Ngayon naman, tingnan nyo ang Christmas tree, napakaganda. Ayan. Pasko na talaga dito sa La Mesa. Pati doon sa taas, everywhere. Ang simoy ng hangin dito ay Pasko na. Ayan. Miss Cherry, hali kayo, samahan niyo ako. Ayan. Pakita natin yung kanilang dining area dito. Regalo para sa Tatak Pinoy team. Nakikita niyo to? Naku naman. Miss Cherry, simula na talaga naman. Gustong-gusto ko nang matikman ang lahat ng mga nakikita ko. Ayan. Maganda ba? Maganda ba yung ganito? Yung nasa gitna ako? Ayan po, Miss Cherry. Pag-usapan natin ang La Mesa Restaurant. Ilang taon na po ang La Mesa dito sa Centurion Building?
Almost 1.5 years.
1.5 na. Anong buwan po tayo nag-open ng 2015?
March 14, 2015.
March 14! Malapit sa birthday ko, ha? Talaga naman. Oo, March 14. At ako naman ay talagang nagagalak na sabihin na kayo ang nagpasimula ng Filipino restaurant dito sa area ng Port Said.
Yes, binuhay namin.
Binuhay ng La Mesa Restaurant ang area na to. Sa pagkakaalam ko kasi, natatandaan ko dati, parang nag-iisa kayo dito.
Opo.
Oo. At saka, ano ang specialty talaga ng La Mesa?
Actually, yung La Mesa, if we want to, yung parang pag narinig ng customer na, or mga ng Pilipino, La Mesa, it will be like, home of the Boodle Fight. Yung lahat ng Boodle Fight nandoon.
Home of the
Boodle Fight.
Boodle Fight. Ang Boodle Fight kasi, paborito ng mga Pilipino.
Yes.
Para pag sinabi mong Boodle Fight, talaga, doon tayo, halika, tara, doon tayo. Etong nasa harapan ko ngayon, ito ang bagong ino-offer ng La Mesa. Ano pa ang tawag dito?
Tawag dito is La Mesa Barcada Boodle Fight.
Gusto ko na siyang tikman?
Sure! And last, please.
Yes, please.
Ito yung Barcada Boodle Fight.
Barcada.
Tawag dito yung mix kasi we have two types of the Barcada. We have the seafood, all seafood yan. Then yung mix, meron kami the barbecue, then yung inasal kasi hindi naman pwede yung halal tayo dito. So we'll just go with the chicken.
Okay.
So we have, kasama na is with pansit. Alam mo naman ng Pilipino,
Hindi nawawala ang pansit.
Kasi pampahaba ng buhay.
Correct. So, lahat ng Boodle Fight package ninyo, may kasama pansit?
No. Some lang.
Some lang.
Especially ito lang.
Ilan ang meron kayong Boodle Fight?
Ang Boodle Fight namin nagre-range ng 120 to 149. Good for 3 person na yun.
Okay.
It will be unlimited na. Unlimited drinks, unlimited rice. And then we have the 199. It's they call it set A. Meron na, ano na yan, assorted na yun ng seafood. And we have also like yung 250. set B. Marami na rin ano yun, marami na rin yung option din yun. Nandun na yung grilled bangus, grilled tilapia.
Sige lang ha.
Okay lang, enjoy kasi parang ako eh. Lahat na, parang yung namin, set C and set D, good for 3 person. And then set A, good for 5 person. Set B, good for 5 to 7. Parang group meal na talaga siya, yung wala ka nakakanapin, nandun na lahat. Then we have that unlimited rice and iced tea.
Wow! Kaya unlimited rice.
So talagang busog-lusog ka doon.
So pagka in-offer nito talagang barkada sila, pag naubos na yung rice, talagang overflowing lang. Sarap naman.
Then yung sabi nga nila, yung iced tea daw, yun yung pinaka-signature ng lamesa din. Kasi, wait, talaga. Talagang inaano namin sa lemon, hindi yung instant lang. Kasi mas masarap yung
Kaya pala medyo may kakaibang twist ang iced tea. So kasama na rin yun.
And beside pala, Josie, ito, for now, we have the promotion for the barkada.
Ayan, teka lang, makinig kayo. Itong promotion to. So very good news to para sa ating mga kababayan.
Mga nagtitinda.
At alam ko mga nag-aabang kayo ngayon. Ayan
Yung
ang mga...
promotion namin is like 149 for the regular price. Pero babayaran mo lang siya ng 375. Still the same pa rin siya. With unlimited rice.
449, 375 lang siya ngayon. Until when?
Until November 30.
Until end of the month, 375, which is good for 10 unlimited rice and drinks.
Yeah.
Ay nako, mga magbabarkada dyan. Pumunta na kayo, meron pang ilang araw na titira ang Nobyembre. 375 lang.
At meron pa kami, Josie. Ito,
Bakit
talagang
ganyan kayo?
magtitipid ka.
Bakit ganyan kayo? Sa mga ugali nyo.
Talagang
Ba't ganyan kayo? Ito. Ba't ganyan kayo? Anong pangalan nito?
Ito yung parang kung baga talagang gusto mong kumain ng budol fight pa rin, pero nasa stage ka na pagtitipid, ito yun, it's budolito. Pinaliit na budol fight.
Okay, ito yung small version, junior.
Junior.
Okay.
Good for 3 person.
Sarap.
Regular price is 110.
Okay.
But you will pay lang 85 dirhams.
85 dirhams.
25 peso dirhams discount.
Natataranta ako. Everyday?
Yeah,
Every lunch?
during lunch lang.
Okay. During lunch, regular price is 110, but during lunchtime, 85 dirhams lang po ito. Good for 3. Actually, sa laki niya, pagka medyo hindi naman malalakas kumain, pwede 4.
Oo, sometimes.
Pwede, din, with drinks na din yun.
With ice
Naku
tea.
naman, limited
ice tea,
din
tsaka
yun.
ice tea yan.
Ay, kaya. Ang harap. Grabe. Ano yung mga, sa a la carte naman natin, sabi nila, don't talk when your mouth is full.
Yeah.
Pero talaga lang yung sinasabi dito, mahirap gawin. Sa a la carte ninyo, ano ang mga laging hinahanap?
Actually, yung sisig with sisig. Kasi sabi niya, sarap-sarap ko. As from the customer itself, sabi niya, yung sabi.
Ito, sisig.
Tsaka mura lang siya. Ganito kadami, 27 dirhams.
Oh!
You can share with 3, makikita mo naman yan.
27 dirham po ng puno.
At saka,
Siksik.
may kasama ng rice yan.
May kasama ng rice?
One rice.
27.
Oo, one rice lang.
Kill me. 27 dirhams. Etong sisig na to, pag umorder kayo, may kasama na isang cup ng rice. So, order na lang kayo ng another cup ng rice kung may mga kasama gusto nyo sharing.
Most of the time naman, nag-share ng Pilipino, di ba?
Patak-patak pa. Oo, patak-patak. Oo. Yun ba talaga ang nasa isip nyo nun bago ang tinayo nyo ang lamesa? Talagang yung patak-patak na ng Pilipino pag kumain.
Kasi parang, di ba, na for 15 years I'm here din naman. So parang naranasan ko rin yung, di ba?
15 years na minahan ni Miss Che ang Dubai.
Oo, kasi kailangan natin supportahan din sa Pilipinas. So, kaya yun.
Napansin ko, ang ganda ng aura nitong restaurant. Ang ganda ng decor ninyo. Miss Che, ikaw ba ang may utak nitong mga palayo dyan, ng mga pamaypay dyan sa walls ninyo?
Actually, sabihin natin hindi naman ako lahat. Kasi syempre may mga partner, may mga staff kami. So, yung asawa ko, tsaka yung bayaw ko, then some of the staff din, yung nagbakasyon kami.
Sige na, Miss Che,
Naghanap kami ng mga yung pwede ilagay dito na mafe-feel mo talaga minsan na nasa
Ito,
Pilipinas.
Philippines. Ayan. Ayan. Very native ang likod namin, ang decor ng lamesa. So talagang, nung magtatayo kayo talaga ng lamesa, talagang purely ang touch nito ay Filipino.
Yeah, yun ang gusto namin gawin. So,
Yun talaga. Talaga namang successful. Thank you so much, Miss Che, kasi sa mga katulad nyo, na-inspire din ang mga ibang kababayan natin. At ito ba ay matagal mo ng pangarap na magkaroon nito?
Oo naman. Kahit naman sinong tao, di ba, yung mga, especially OFW, talagang pinangarap na magkaroon ng sariling business, di ba? Kasi yun ang talagang tinrabaho natin para magkaroon tayo ng sariling atin, di ba?
Kailan mo pa naisip na magkaroon ng sarili mong restaurant?
Actually, nung dalaga pa ako, pero nung napangasawa ko ngayon, asawa ko, ayun, mga business-minded din, yung brother-in-law ko, tsaka siya. So, naisipan namin ng ganitong restaurant.
So basically, ikaw, tapos yung husband mo, tsaka yung brother-in-law, ang talagang ano ito. Naku naman, may parating pa. Ano yan?
Bulalo.
Bulalo. Ito yung mga
Try ng
signature
bulalo.
dish ng Filipino, hindi mawawala talaga. May pancit, seafoods, bulalo,
Then, kare-kare.
may kare-kare doon.
At yung portion
Marami.
namin, Diyos,
Malaki.
hindi siya pang single order. Sharing talaga siya.
Ang sarap. Yung pancit parang birthday ko lang, oh. Ang dami. Naku naman, ano ba naman? Paano? Ang diet?
Kailangan mo ata ng ano dito na
Grabe, ladies and gentlemen, sobrang... Paano ko uubusin ito mamaya? Ikukwento ko sa inyo soon. Pero meron pa din. Ako ba talaga ginagalit nyo?
one of the food fight.
Fiesta.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Ano to?
Yan yung
Miss Che.
seafood, set C. Na good for 3 person, 120.
Oh
One of the
my,
Google, seafood.
Seafood, may chicken siya.
Oo, may chicken siya. Para,
Ang sarap. Masakit na yung ulo ko. Ako, migraine na ako. Eto, uubusin ko yan mamaya. Ayan, Miss Che. Andito ba yung inyong partner? Parang interesado din ako makausap kahit pa paano. Kasi very unique. Very unique na magtayo at makipag-partner. Ayan, very handsome na si Mr. Muhammad. Hello, sir. Join us, sir. Welcome to my birthday party. Seems like it's my birthday. Too much food on the table. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Muhammad. Isa po sa mga partners ni Miss Che dito sa La Mesa Restaurant. Sir, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks.
First and foremost, I would like to say thank you. Thank you for accepting the Tapinos invitation to visit La Mesa Restaurant.
You're all good.
Ayan. Do you know some Tagalog words?
Yeah, of course.
Talaga?
Yeah, ganda talaga.
Ganda talaga. Marunong siya. Tagalogin ko kaya ng buong buo. What's your favorite Filipino dish?
The one from the view.
Okay, sisig. Ang paborito ni Mr. Muhammad.
And most of the food from Bicol, I like it. Bicol Express, Lain, I like this kind of food a lot.
Ay, Pilipino na to. Mahilig sa spicy food. You like spicy foods?
Yeah, really spicy. Yeah.
Wow! Miss Che, tanong ko lang, yung mga cook ba natin dito, came from iba-ibang natin?
Like, we have from Kapampangan, we have from Iloilo.
Kapampa, wow, Iloilo, Ilonggo, Giriya. Namin din na yung magluto yan. Wow! So talagang coming from sa atin
Oo,
talaga.
parang sa atin
What's
talaga.
your inspiration, sir? Why did you pick up a Filipino restaurant instead of other?
This is, I think, is not the first question you're asking. Lots of people ask me this kind of questions. Why we came with Filipino food? You can see, Filipino are one of the most population here in UAE. Okay, they are not the top, but like the top 4 nationalities here in UAE. So lots of Arabic people and other nationality tried all of other top nationality food. But Filipino food, very few people try it. As per our experience in the hospitality, we tried Filipino food a long time ago, and we liked it. We saw it, and then we decided why why you are not going to put Filipino restaurant with Filipino decoration to show the people not only the taste of Filipino, even about Filipino culture, what the Filipino like, and some pictures of Philippines which you can see here on the wall.
I'm really having headache now because she keeps on giving us food. Wow. Wow, that's a shawmai.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is very especially for your birthday.
Especially for my birthday. You heard
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Muhammad, especially for my birthday.
This is the fifth birthday, I think.
This year. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then we decided to put this concept, and now every month we try to show more about Filipino culture. It's not only about the taste of the food, even about the ambience, about the price. We try to put like affordable price for everyone, so like people can eat and enjoy the ambience. We don't think that much about the money than like make people happy here.
Oh, you just have to see the smiles of the people.
Of course, when people smile, that this making the ambience more happy. Not only that, everyone, the staff, the owner, the customer, because we are all here in one, place. So we want like people to enjoy, and we want the people to try the food here, and then decide if it is like good food and good ambience. Welcome to La Mesa, and you will see the difference.
Oh, ito naman. See, you've heard Mr. Muhammad. Talagang ang kanilang goal talaga is to put a smile on everyone's faces. Good food, good ambience, lahat po yun pinaghandaan ng La Mesa Restaurant. So napakasarap naman talaga, Miss Che, na maranasan namin para ma-share natin, makita ng Tatak Pinoy kung ano ang maihahain ng La Mesa Restaurant. Do you have other promotions coming up, especially December is fast approaching, so Christmas season?
Actually, we have some idea, but now hindi pa kasi na-fix lahat.
Pero meron. Do you plan to open other branches in Dubai?
Very soon, our new branch in Satwa, in Manila building will
In
come.
Satwa?
Yes,
Satwa, where in Satwa?
in Manila building.
Manila building. Manila building, if I'm not mistaken, is right beside West Zone. Yeah, right beside West Zone. There's a new building. It's called Manila Building. So magkakaroon po tayo ng La Mesa Restaurant dyan very, very soon. Is it safe to say that you're going to open it early next year?
Yes, hopefully by but hopefully not after February. But January or February we are going to open our
Okay.
new branch here.
So talagang early next year po, abangan ninyo. Ano po what's your timing?
Ang timing dito is like every day we're open from 10 o'clock to 11:30.
10 o'clock in the morning, open na po ang La Mesa Restaurant until 11:30 in the evening.
And we do
Ayan.
serve also breakfast. So like, kami, almusal din kami. Nandito yung may tapsilog,
Uy, grabe, very Filipino. Tapsilog, what else?
Dahil sila,
Nice to know this. What else? So talagang they can order. Oo. Okay. May delivery po ba?
Meron kaming
Okay,
delivery.
tell us about more about delivery while I'm busy.
Meron kaming delivery starting from 11 o'clock till 9 o'clock in the evening. Then yung delivery namin covered yung Dubai area from like Port Said, Dera, Alrica, then Satwa. Then from Sarjanada, we can deliver also. Yes. And Sharjah Dubai, then Jebel Ali.
Wow.
Jebel Ali area.
From Sharjah, Dubai, Sharjah area, Nada, up to Jebel Ali, they have delivery. Ano po yung pwedeng kontakin ng mga, because I'm sure
we are covering actually all of the area in Dubai except Hatta.
Except Hata.
Yeah.
Except Hata. So, sa mga nakatira sa Hata, medyo peace muna tayo. You can go here in La Mesa to experience
Sorry
the
guys for
goodness.
that. Hopefully maybe after 1 year we can add this service for you.
Wow.
Don't worry about
After 1 year, Hata residents, don't worry, La Mesa will be there. Ano po yung contact number?
You can call 0429-79112.
Again, 0429
2979-112.
112. Do you have Facebook page?
Yeah, we have Facebook page, La Mesa Restaurant.
So you just have to search on La Mesa Restaurant and do na pa all foods.
More updates, like mga promos and everything. Because every month, meron kami some like to update our guests on yung bago. Doon kami nagpo-post.
Okay, so doon lang po, Facebook. May website ba ang Lamesa? You have website?
Our website is coming soon, which is www.lamesadubai.com.
www.lamesadubai.com. Ayan, coming soon po yun. Yung coming soon na yun, I think makakasabay siya doon sa opening nila sa Sapwa.
But before opening Sapwa.
Before opening Sapwa, so it's going to be next month. So ladies and gentlemen, this one, Barkada, promo nila, 449 for the whole month until end of November. You will pay only 375. And for the Boodle Fight naman, a good for 3, this is 110. Pero every lunch, they serve it at 85 dirhams. Napakarami po ng serving. And unlimited rice and iced tea. Yung iced tea nila yung one of the best iced tea I've tasted. Ang sarap po talaga. Kaya naman pala special. Talaga may twist of lemon.
Thanks for that.
It's fresh.
Fresh talaga siya. Ang sarap talaga niya. At hindi lang naman Boodle Fight ang ino-offer ng lamesa dito. Meron din sila favorite ni Mr. Muhammad, beef sisig. At ang dami ng serving. Kung makikita niyo punong-puno po ito. We have also kare-kare. We have bulalo. We have pancit. Ito yung mga talagang favorite na mga dish ng mga Pilipino. So, huwag niyong kalilimutan, Lamesa dito sa Centurion Building, Deira. Again, 10 a.m. up to 11:30. At yung telephone number, ulitin natin. 0429-79112. May Facebook sila, Lamesa Restaurant. Coming up soon yung website nila. Ayan po, maraming salamat. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
But before that, I would like to add one more point. We are in the Mesa, maybe we are not the best. We are the best people who try to improve their food. Every week we had a quality meeting about the food. That's why the people who were here coming visiting us every month, they see that every food and each food we try to improve it. Especially, one of the examples is my favorite food, the beef sisig.
Yes.
We try always to upgrade it, and this is the third time we try to do it in a new way. So we don't like to stop, like the food is similar. We like to have your advice, your comment is very important for us. So advise us about the food which you don't like it, and be sure that we're going to try our best to do it better than previous experience.
Ang sarap naman pakinggan niyo. So, open for suggestions kung ano po kung sa tingin ninyo, ano pa yung mga mai-improve pa nila, you just have to tell them and they will do something about it. So, hindi po close. Ang improvement ay tuloy-tuloy po dito sa Lamesa Restaurant. Makikita niyo rin yung mga staff, very friendly sila, they're always smiling, kaya napakasarap po ng feeling dito. Ngayon, Pasko, ang simoy ng hangin ay Pasko po dito sa Lamesa Restaurant. So, thank you very much. What else do you want to plug anything?
Promotion this week, sir. The birthday celebration.
Yes.
Yeah. This week we're gonna have the birthday celebration. 10% discount for any Boodle Pie. So just come and celebrate your birthday with us, and just present your Emirates ID to claim the promotion.
Again.
We have a promotion for the Boodle Pie, 15% discount for any Boodle Pie. Celebrate your birthday with us, and then show the Emirates ID because you can get the birthday, and then we can give you the discount.
And speaking of birthdays, naku, meron tayong isang taong espesyal talaga sa Tatak Pinoy na nag-birthday. At hindi niya alam kung pinagagagawa natin dito. But, to surprise him, actually talagang may birthday celebration kami ngayon dito sa Lamesa Restaurant because we are celebrating the birthday of... Where is he? Where is Hindi niya alam. Talagang surprise. That's one reason also kung bakit si Mr. Muhammad at si Mr. ay talagang naghanda. Look at this. Talaga naman. So, Rico is celebrating his 80th birthday. Ayan. Mr. Rico Cardoniga is celebrating his 80th birthday here at La Mesa Restaurant. Ayan. Happy birthday! Mr. Rico! Come.
sponsored by Arba Muhammad.
Ayan, isang espesyal na tao po sa Tatak Pinoy, si Mr. Rico. At wala po siyang kaalam-alam sa pinagagagawa namin dito. Hanggang sa tinawag na lang namin siya. So, Kuya Rico.
So I'd like to thank Arba Muhammad
Yes.
for inviting us. In behalf of the Tatak Pinoy also, Madam Cheryl, we'd like to invite also the Filipino community to share the video so that yung lahat na Filipino community
Malaman nila.
will know about La
Yes,
Mesa.
about La Mesa. Lahat po ng promotion, kung ano yung napag-usapan natin dito, yung mga discount. So ngayon, may 15% discount si Kuya Rico because birthday niya. All you have to do is to give your MRSID. Para sure na yung 15%. Ayan. So, thank you very much. And huwag niyo kalimutan, i-share yung video and please like Tatak Pinoy page sa Facebook. Tatak Pinoy, loud and proud po, nasa La